Ambience Group proudly presents the biggest mall in India, Ambi Mall. Accessibility? No problem. 8-lane expressway project progressing fast towards completion. Reaching Ambi Mall will be one of the most pleasurable experiences. With almost a kilometre of exclusive retail outlets and a state-of-the-art entertainment zone, Ambi Mall redefines the ideal family retreat. This masterful symphony in marble, granite, glass and steel will fulfill your urge to splurge or simply to browse. Our food plaza, Food Atoll, will satiate cravings of all sizes and styles. From Moroccan to Mexican, our specialty restaurants will offer masterfully conjured culinary delights from across the world. Lights, camera, Ambiplex. Our 7-screen, state-of-the-art multiplex plays the magic in movies and features 2 screens exclusively for private viewing. Live life the 70mm way only at Ambiplex. Thoughtfully developed, artfully created and aptly named Ambi Theatre. This open-air theatre, designed to stage plays and screen outdoor movies, is all set to become a modern-day marvel. Exclusivity for the elite at its international best. This exclusive new shopping address epitomizes elite with 4 levels of the absolute best Indian and international brands. Style gurus and divas, make yourself at home. Finely blended in glass and marble is the 5-star deluxe hotel at Ambi Mall. You can expect the best style and comfort here, but be ready to have your highest expectations exceeded. This 225-room 5-star hotel will style your lifestyle luxuriously. Tired of living out of the suitcase? Get your own home away from home. A place where you can relax and attend to your business. Convenient and affordable. These apartments will be simply ideal for touring vacationers and business executives. Hassle-free shopping, entertainment for the whole family, an experience to remember. Ambi Mall. Who says nothing's perfect?